exposing the secrets behind two programming giants, C and C++. Ready for the ultimate showdown? C, born in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie, is all about efficiency and hardware control. Fast forward to the 1980s, Bjarne Stroustrup evolves C into C++, adding object-oriented programming magic. C keeps it simple with procedural code, while C++ extends it with classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. Both languages are close to the metal, but C++ offers higher-level abstractions. In system programming and embedded systems, C shines. For game development and scalable apps, C++ is your go-to. Tooling, C's got GC Clang. C++ rocks with Visual Studio and Client. C is minimalist and portable. C++, portable, but mind your libraries. Which to choose? C for raw efficiency. C++ for complex projects with OOP goodness. The choice is yours.